Hey Dustin, Paul Heck, glad you reached out to me the other day. Really excited to see how we can help you guys with your website and just really optimize it in a way so that it gets picked up for how people search for your services. So the way we do that is basically looking at what Google uses. They're looking for three things. They're like, how do they rank you as the authority in the space? That's going to push them up in the search rankings. And they're looking for three things. The content on your site, it has to be keyword rich. So we have to do some research on the front end to figure out what are those keywords that we actually need to go for? How much traffic could we drive in from those and such? Is that content on your site, does it have a minimum of 1,500 words? That's what we find is like a sweet spot on the minimum side. Just gives us enough content to be able to talk about things and your services and really answer some questions and educate your customer as well on those actual keywords. So working those keywords into that content is definitely the first thing you have to do. Second thing are what we call backlinks. These are outside websites that are going to have a blog post or something or a news article that we would create. And in that content is a keyword that says like general contractor Tulsa. And when you click on that, it refers back to your website and pushes you up in the search ranking for that. It's passing some power from that outside website to yours. So we're doing multiple of these links, trying to get enough power to power up these keywords so that Google can rank you guys as the authority. Now the other thing is like we're creating a big footprint. So these citations are your name, address, and phone number listed on online directories. Again, we're trying to create a big web of connectivity out there on the internet that's all referring back to yours in your space. We also set up social media channels so that there is something out there for Google to crawl and see you guys are out there in multiple different places. We also work on your Google business profile as a part of this, boosting it up in the search ranking as well. So I'm going to jump in, just show you some things of what's going on. Your site, you have kind of a cool logo and really just have almost no content on it. And that's the first thing we've got to fix. I think some authentic photography is going to be something that you want to profile on your homepage as well, just to kind of keeping a customer engaged in what you guys do. Now, looking at when I search for general contractor Tulsa, you've got a couple of guys running sponsored ads up here. You've got a couple of sponsored ads here. You've got the map section where legacy construction, renovation construction services, and Williams contracting are all landing in that map section. So this is an area where we would like to help you guys get pushed up in the search ranking. So if you've got a spot here and then down in this organic section where Ascend is really the first customer, first builder there, we want to push you up in the top rankings for those two spaces specifically, the organic section here and in the map section. So let's look at like how your website's performing now. I have a program called Ahrefs that really shows me exactly like how your website's doing, how strong is it actually performing, is it getting you any traffic and that sort of thing. So as soon as this loads up, we'll go over that and I'll show you just exactly what's going on. So there's zero traffic coming to your website in this month. There's no keywords you're getting picked up for, and you really just don't have any backlinks or anything that is powering your site up. So really your site's kind of a digital billboard. If somebody knows your name or has your URL, they can find it, but that's the only way that you're being found right now. Now I'm going to go over to this Ascend commercial contractors. They are in that market and are ranking fairly high in that organic section there. And so looking at their website, you've got 206 traffic a month coming to it, 122 keywords. And they've got a ton of backlinks, but you don't have to have all these backlinks. Like most all of these are all coming through these 63 locations. So this tells me there's a lot of spammy backlinks and stuff like that on there. We really try hard not to have that situation happen with your site, and because Google can really knock you off and dock you for that. So if I look at their site, they've got, again, some nice imagery shown, some of the buildings that they've worked on. They have, I guess, a podcast that they're on, some different things, but just, again, lacking on the content overall. Really not going to get it done and hold that very long when somebody like us partners with someone like you to do what we need to do to their website to outrank them. So let's look at some of the keywords that they're being found for and how much traffic gets out there. So commercial construction Tulsa, there's 60 searches a month for that. They're in position 2 and they get 23 of that traffic. So a third of that traffic is landing on their site just because they have some things optimized well. Commercial general contractors Tulsa, Oklahoma, 40 searches a month. Again, they're in position 2, and they're getting 13 of that 40 traffic. So, some real high percentages once you land in that number 2, number 3 position. You've got Construction Tulsa. Let's look at Contractors Tulsa, 150 searches a month. They're in position 10. They're getting 5 of that traffic. So that's a good volume right there that I see. General Contractor Tulsa, 80 searches a month. They're in 8th position, getting 4. So several keywords here that you can start to see. If we add all of these up, there's probably 400 or 500 searches a month going on for general contracting, commercial contracting, that sort of thing. And we want to get as much of that traffic landing on your page as possible. Now, if I look up Commercial Construction Tulsa, this is who pops up in the again, in the sponsored ads, and then in this map section, you got TCP, BlackRock, and Williams Contracting that are in that map section. So just want to show you that. There's Ascend being number 1, and this Bollinger Construction is number 2. Thompson was on the search for general contractor, and I'm going to show you their site. Again, profiling some of their work. They've got some little bit of video, some real movement on some of the images and such. It just kind of lets a person be engaged in like what they do. A little bit more. I think, again, they're lacking on the content section, so we could really blow these guys out of the water as far as like when we get the content on there. Now, looking at their site, I've dropped them in 170 traffic a month. They got 41 keywords. You can see this backlink ratio of 611 to 298. That's a whole lot better as far as like how they're doing that. And they're getting a 12 on their domain rating. That's their strength on their domain, and an 8 on the URL. So looking at what are they doing as far as like how much traffic they're getting. Construction Companies Tulsa, 150 searches a month. They're in position 3. They're getting 24 of that. Construction Companies in Tulsa, 100 searches a month, 3 on the position, and they're getting 18 of that traffic. On position 5 for General Contractor Tulsa, 80 searches a month. They're getting 8 of that. So again, lots of good keywords in that Tulsa local market. We're trying to get those local keywords going on your website so that you can pick up that search for those there in Tulsa. I hope this was educational and kind of give you an idea of what we do. Again, it's all content. Content is king, 1,500 words minimum. It's got to be keyword rich. Backlinks, creating these links and blog content on outside websites that refer back to yours. And then the citations, that's the third piece of this. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, I know we could bring you some real value in picking up some projects off of this next year. Definitely pretty easy to pay for itself as far as like an ROI on what we're doing. But let's have a conversation if this is of interest, and would love to get you guys started. We've got room to move you right into a slot where we can get started on you real quick. So again, Paul Heck, my company's Grassfire Digital Marketing, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.